Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy crochet table cover designs. New designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy crochet table cover designs, table cover ideas, new and trendy designing ideas. So friends, this is very beautiful and trendy. Please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. You can decorate your table with beautiful and trendy crochet table cover designs. You can easily make these very beautiful crochet table covers if you know crochet work. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy crochet table covers. You can make with matching bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion covers, curtain designs, mat designs. Decorated with flowers, beaded stones, new and trendy designing ideas. Latest uploading ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about woman fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also.